In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure autocorrect settings in Microsoft Word to easily insert math and physics symbols. It's a quick guide that will take you through the steps to make your document creation a bit smoother, especially if you often find yourself inserting special symbols. Whether you're a student tackling physics homework or a professional regularly drafting technical reports, these tips could save you a lot of time. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. As simple as it may seem, getting started here is crucial. This is where we'll do all the necessary tweaking. No worries if your Word isn't already open. Take a moment to locate the file you're working on or simply open a new document, and we'll be ready for the next steps. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top left of the screen and click on the File tab, which is typically adjacent to the Home button. This will bring down a list of options. Don't be overwhelmed, you're doing great. Now in this list, look for Options and click on it. Clicking Options will open a dialog box, and this is where the magic starts to happen. In the dialog box that appears, you are going to want to find and click on Proofing. This menu is your go-to for everything related to spell checking and autocorrections. Under the Proofing menu, you'll come across the Autocorrect Options button. Give this a click and you'll notice a new window popping up. It's in this window where a lot of powerful customization can happen, specifically with autocorrect, which can be a real lifesaver for fast typists or those who need specific symbols. Next, in this new window, look for the tab that says Math Autocorrect. Click on it. This is where things get exciting if you love saving time and effort. What you'll see here is a treasure trove of shortcuts tailored for math and physics symbols. Don't be shy to scroll through and explore. Here you can find shortcuts for all sorts of symbols that you might need for your document. For instance, while scrolling, if you need to locate a specific symbol, this is the perfect zone to find its shortcut. Once you've spotted the symbols you'll need, you might want to jot them down or start using them immediately. With this newfound understanding, inserting symbols will soon become second nature to you. And just like that, you're done. By setting up these math autocorrect options, you've equipped yourself with a toolkit that makes adding complex symbols in your documents incredibly straightforward. I hope these steps help streamline your workflow, whether you're knee-deep in technical writing or just jotting down notes. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video for more handy tips.